Good morning, students. Students, today we will study English grammar, and the name of chapter is models. Students, first of all, I will tell you what are models in English grammar. Definition is: models are auxiliary verbs that express ability, permission, possibility, advice, compulsion, and moral obligation. Models express these expressions, these activities, these things. But here given models are auxiliary verbs. I have to tell you what does auxiliary verb mean. Students, in classification of verb, verbs are divided into 5: transitive verb, intransitive verb, linking verb, auxiliary verb, and phrasal verb. Students, auxiliary verb is one of them. Auxiliary means helping. While I was teaching you tense, different type of tenses when I was teaching you, I have told you that each tense has different kind of helping verbs. You can say helping verb or you can say auxiliary verb. Auxiliary means helping. Models are auxiliary verbs. But here problems are there. Helping verbs are a lot that you have studied in tenses. Do, does, has, have, is, am, are, has, have been, did, etc. Lot are there you have studied. But all helping verbs are not known as modal auxiliaries. Helping verbs are divided into two. Auxiliary verb is divided into two: primary auxiliaries and modal auxiliaries. Primary auxiliaries just like do, does, is, am, are, has, have been, etc. And what are then modal auxiliaries? I am telling you, modal auxiliaries are just like can, could, may, might, shall, should, will, would, ought to, need, must, dare. And students, the use of used to, has to, have to, and had to are also used as models. So now I am writing, and you will also write. First of all of you write this definition of models. Models are auxiliary verbs that express ability, permission, possibility, advice, compulsion, and moral obligation. Moral obligation means moral duties. Students, now write what are the models. These are models. Say can, could, may, might, shall, should, will, would, must, ought to, need, dare. And I have told you nowadays has to, have to, had to, used to, also known as model. Used to, has to, have to, and had to. Good? These are models. Can, could, may, might, shall, should, will, would, must, ought to, need, dare. These are models And these words also used to, has to, have to and had to are also used as models. Do you know? The students, these are models. First of all, I have told you, models are auxiliary verbs that express ability, permission, possibility, advice, compulsion and moral obligation. Moral obligation means moral duties. And how many models are there? These are models. Can, could, will, would, shall, should, may, might, ought, must, need, dare, used to, has to, have to and had to. These are models. Okay? And these models are used to express all these things like ability, permission, possibility, advice, permission and compulsion and moral obligation, etc. So I will tell you all models one by one, and I will tell you where can is used, where could is used, where might is used, where might is used, where may is used, all one by one I will tell you all. So now students see, first of all I will tell you the use of can. The use of can I am going to tell you. Can. Where can is used, students? Where you will use can? You have to know this. Students, can is used to show ability and permission also. Ability and permission. To express these two things, either ability or permission, can is used. About ability I am telling. Ability means capacity. What is your capacity? If I say, I can speak English. I can speak English means I have ability, I have capacity to speak English. So this shows ability. Example you can take. He can play flute. He can play flute. What does it mean? It means he has ability to play flute. He has power, he has capacity to play flute. So can word has been used, that is showing here ability. Another example you can take. You can speak French. You can speak French. What does it mean? Here can expresses the ability. It expresses your ability. What ability? Ability to speak French. Means you have capacity, you have ability to speak French. So can word has been, can model has been used here. So here can is used in these two examples as to show or to express ability. About permission you can say. But students, for permission if you are using can model, so you can use it with your friends in your that are familiar to you. Not with your teacher you can take permission by using can. Do you know? Suppose you are asking for something from your friend. Can I take your pen? Can I take your book? Etc. Like this. Definition you will write, students. See? Permission, just like example. Can I take your pen? Can I take your pen? You want permission from your friend, familiar person who is talking to you. who is like your friend. And this permission you cannot take from your teacher, from your senior, like that. For that, other model is used. So in this way, students, can model is used to show ability or permission. Do you know? Now see the next. Use of could. Use of could. Could is the past form of can, and it shows ability in the past. Ability in the past means what? Ability in the past. Past. Could expresses the ability in the past. How? He could cross the river. Example you can take. He could cross the river. He could cross the river. He could solve the problem. He could solve the problem. He could solve the problem means he had ability to solve the problem. The could indicates to express ability in the past. Second thing, could also express polite request. First is ability in the past. Second, polite request. Polite request. If you want to make polite request, example you can take. Could you lend me? Could you lend me some money? Could you lend me some money? You are making request to someone. Could you lend me some money? The could is also used to make polite request. It example that I have given. In this way, students, can is used to show, to express ability. Can is used to express ability and permission, and could is used to show ability in the past and polite request in present. Now see another model. Another model I am going to take you, may. See another model, may. Where may is used. Now see, one by one I will tell you all and you will understand it. Another model, may. Where may is used? This is problem. Students, may is used for different expressions. One by one I will tell. May is used for possibility. Possibility. May is used for possibility and permission. Possibility, permission, two has been written. Two more are there. One is purpose. Purpose. Another is blessing. Blessing. Possibility, permission, purpose and blessing. May is used for all four expressions. How? I will give you example, then you can understand. Yes. First example, I am going to give you to express possibility. See, First example, possibility, just like it may rain today. It may rain today. If you say it may rain today, if you see the clouds scattered in the sky, then you say it may rain today. The may model expresses possibility. Means it is possible that there will be rain today. The may indicates here the expression of possibility. My father may come today. The principal may come now, like that. In these examples, may expresses the possibility. It may rain today. Second thing, students, that second thing is that may expresses permission also. May expresses permission. How permission? If you take permission from your teacher, just like may I come in, sir? May I come in, sir? May I come in, sir? You say you want to get permission from your teacher. So here may model has been used to express permission. The students, or may I go out? May I sit here? May I take his book, like that? The may indicates possibility and permission also. Further, purpose. May model is also used for purpose. How purpose? If you say we eat, third example I am giving, we eat so that we eat so that we may live, or we may be alive. We eat so that we may be alive. Here may indicates purpose. What purpose? Purpose to be alive. We eat, we take food so that we may be alive. The purpose is here. By using, it is so expressed by using model may. Another thing, may is also used for blessing. If you are going to bless someone, then may word is used. May model is used. Example, if you say, may you live long. May you live long. This is blessing. If you are going to bless someone, then may model is used. May you live long. May you pass in the examination. May you get success, like that. So in this way, students, may model expresses ability, permission, purpose, and blessing. Do you know? And another model might, just like might, where might is used. Students, might is used for possibility in future, but in indirect speech. Just like he said to me, possibility in future. Example you take, he said He told me, or he told me that I might help him. He told me that I might help him. Might indicates possibility in future, but in the past. Possibility in future, but it is said in the past here. He told me that possibility was in future at that time. In the past, possibility was in future at that time. He told me that I might help you. It is indirect narration. Do you know? And students, it is also used to show purpose. It is also used to show purpose. In present also you can use might. We work hard. Example you can take. We work hard so that we might pass. We work hard so that we might pass. Purpose shown. Here purpose, might indicates purpose to pass has been shown here. So might is used to express purpose, also in the present. The students, in this way today I have told you models. That models are generally verbs that are used to express permission, ability, advice, compulsion, etc. And I have told you the use of some models like can, could, may and might. And in another video I will tell you the use of other models. Thank you.